Well, happy, what is today? Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. I lose track of time. I never get out of Pine Script long enough to do anything. Anyway, there's been some additions. There's 2 updated scripts and 1 brand new script. Dan asked me for a supply and demand indicator. So we put together a supply and demand and price action indicator based on volume. So that's pretty cool. Awesome volume right here. You guys have seen this before. I redid it a little bit and I added in the alerts. Now these little symbols are S&G. Those are the S&G alerts. This is the Savage Trader alert. The little green dot is Savage Trader. The little red dot is Savage Trader. It doesn't get any easier than that. I've got some reversals in here, so you know when things are reversing. And the little stars is Black Pearl. The original Black Pearl, not the standalone version. So any little star is Black Pearl. Just so you know. And that's all that's in here. So you can get an idea of what's overbought, what's oversold, the range that it's in, and make your decisions accordingly. Now, awesome oscillator. This is basically the same thing. You've got Heiken and sheet candles in the oscillator. You've got snatch and grab alerts, and you've got warning flags, and you've got Black Pearl. You can't ask for more than that. Settings. There's really not much to do with settings. Just kind of leave them alone. Unless you really know what you're doing, and then you can do what you want. Of course, if you're going to be using Black Pearl, then you have to set it to the time frame. So right now we're on a 1-hour chart. So you got that. Awesome oscillator. Settings. Same thing. So you can set this up however you want. And this again is on 1 hour. Style, however you want. Everything's labeled. Turn whatever you want on, turn whatever you want off. But what's cool about this oscillator is it gives you money flow and money flow coded RSI. So you can see when it's green, when it's orange, and when it's red. And you can watch it when it hits the alerts. I mean, it'll throw warnings when it's crossing, when it's changing color. Just like that. Those are the 2 new ones. Those are the 2 redos. The supply and demand. We've got volume based on RSI. We've got volume-based support and resistance settings. So you've got support and resistance in here, and you've got price action settings. So these will be little circles above and below the candle line. You can turn the plots on and off. You decide what you want, and that's how you use it. Now, in this script, in Savage Trader's edition of Accumulator Pro, we've got CAGI indicators in here, and a lot of you guys haven't even bothered to turn them on yet. If you want to know what's going on with support and resistance, let me go down here. Right here. You uncheck it, they turn on. Check it, and they go on. And there's also take profit and stop loss built in here too. But you really don't need it, as the bot will take care of that. And that's really what I wanted to show you on CAGI. Now, I had another guy ask me how the hell I trade this. You have to remember there's a lot of different signals in here. Most of them are heads up signals. Bull bear trends are signals. It's just a trend signal. Major trend, whether it's bull or bear, is just that. It's a heads up. It's telling you which way it's going to go. Now here we got a warning flag, and we got a bear flag, and we got a savage alert, all in one candle. We got a snatch and grab here. This is where you jump into the trade, right here. Now me, I trade this down to here, and the next snatch and grab, I get out. Manual trading, 3-minute chart. That's what I do. We can go to a 3-minute chart. Watch for the morning flag. It's telling me it's going to go down. I get a snatch and grab, it goes down. Okay. It's a real good example right here. It throws a warning here, because this is a doji candle. This is also a doji. We don't know which way it's going to go, but it gives me a heads up. So I can jump into the short here, and I can run it down. Now, I didn't get another warning flag in here anywhere, so I probably would have stayed in it and rode it down to here. And then once I saw she started turning into dojis again, that means she's going to change direction, and it did. So the snatch and grab said she's going up. Razor says she's going up. Bull flag says she's going up. Warning says it's going up. Now, we never know how much it's going to go up, right? You just don't know. But you either get out and wait, or you stay in it and trade it. It's entirely up to you. But normally, when it throws a warning flag, there's going to be some movement. More than a doji. So that's how you trade that. That's really pretty simple. Same thing here. You can watch the dots. This tells me to go long. This tells me to go short. But those are bot alerts. Those aren't manual trading alerts. I mean, it's if you want to follow the trend and trade the strategy manually, then you buy and sell on these dots only. Only. You don't turn all the rest of them off because you don't care. If you're following the strategy, just follow the calls of the strategy. You start hopping around and you blow the strategy right out of the water. This particular strategy is 3.4 profit factor. It's almost 56% profitable. 110 trades. There you go. All you got to do. All you have to do is lock in 2 or 3% a day, and you'll become very wealthy in a very short period of time. But it's just like here. If I were following snatch and grab on the 1 hour, I'd have jumped in the trade here, and I'd have followed it all the way down to here. And I'd have got out. And I would have waited. I would have waited for the next warning flag here, the next S&G, and I'd have jumped in another short. And I'd have stayed in it until I get the next signal. That's the strategy. You hop around in here and go, oh, I'm going to buy here, and then I'm going to sell here, and I'm going to buy. You can't do that. Follow the trend. Follow the signals. It's not rocket science. I mean, this whole bloody friggin' thing is automated. All you have to do is buy and sell. Or plug it into a bot and let the bot buy and sell. But you're not going to get wrecked, and you're not going to lose money if you just follow what it's doing. Real simple. Real simple. These swing alerts, it's almost the same thing. Every time you see an SW, that's a swing alert. That's telling me that this is going to change. And it did. And this confirmed it. Right? Swing alert. She went down. Went back up a little bit. But she continued on down. Swing alerts are pretty good. Sometimes they make you a little nervous when you jump into a trade. And she'll reverse and she'll start going up a candle or two. But as soon as you get the next snatch and grab, as soon as you get this next S&G, you know you're safe. Because here we got a bear flag alert, we got a razor alert, she's going down. Pretty simple. There's a lot of shit on here. I can stare at it because I know what it means, and I know what it does. For the new guys, turn off what you're not going to use. Don't clutter up the screen. Keep it simple, keep it clean, and just follow the alerts. That's all you have to do. Pretty simple stuff. Anyway, I hope that covers it for now. I was going to take a look and see what the hell Bitcoin was doing. This just tickles me. I drew this chart 2 months ago. Broke 7,900. I think we're still going to 65. If we come down and touch 71, if we break 71, we're going to 65. In my daily chart, Well, we're going to wait and see what Asia does today. But if Asia has the same sentiment that it's had the last couple of days, the 7100 will become a reality. And I'll tell you, if she breaks this 71 and holds it, 65 is right around the corner. See, I've got this set at 63.50. I'm going to move it up here. That's 6,500. So, I'll be curious. And actually, I can't wait. Because I'm in it for that. Alright, hope that helps, and we'll talk to you guys all later.